At the top of the documentation page, we have the Oracle Help Center search field. Using the search and its filters, you can easily find our documentation, free tutorials, hands-on labs, and hundreds of videos covering the various Oracle Linux OS and virtualization products. Let's use this to find our content. There is already Oracle Linux in the field from our navigation to the documentation page. Let's clear that and type in just Linux. We are offered a number of suggestions from the input field as we typed. The documentation page is for Oracle Linux, and Oracle Linux Manager, and a number of others. But if we select the search for Linux or simply press enter, it gives us results for just Linux. At the top we have some link tiles with Oracle Linux first on the left. And scrolling down we see many different suggestions. But we want to find our content, so we will use the Filter Your Results drop-down. And if we click on Documentation, it gives us links to documentation pages. Remember, there are also links to our content on those. Deselecting documentation and choosing tutorials, we are offered links to the tutorial pages where you can also find links to the specific free Luna labs for practice. For example, if I click on Upgrade Oracle Linux with Leap, we go to the tutorial page, and at the top is a link to the free real lab practice environment created to allow you to practice what's in the tutorial, and also the free Leap video, which we posted to YouTube. Clicking the Launch Lab button spins up the free lab and off you go. Going back to the search results, let's deselect tutorials and select video. Now we're offered links to all our free video content associated with Linux and posted on YouTube. And here is the free Leap video I mentioned. So we can use OHC or Oracle Help Center to find all the content we've created, whether it's the hundreds of free videos that we have posted to YouTube or the free Luna practice labs we've built. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching.